Now question number 7. A cube minus 27 by a cube. So this can be written as a cube minus 3 by a the whole cube. 27 is 3 by a the whole cube. So in the place of a minus b. So a minus 3 by a minus b, then a square plus ab, a, then b is what? 3 by a, then plus b square, 3 by a the whole square. So equal to a minus b, so a square plus 3 by a means this a and getting cancelled. So 3 plus 9 by a squared. Now question number 8. A cube plus 0.064. This can be written as a cube plus 0.4 the whole square. So when you expand 0.4 into 0.4, 0.16, then into 4, 64, inga point irukku illaya. So after 3 digit you have to put the point. So 0.064. So what is a? B squared. So equal to a plus b, then a square minus a b, then plus b square. So equal to a plus 0.4, then a square minus here 0.4a, 0.4a, then plus b square 0.16. This is the answer for